Okay, bye, Melanie.
Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back. I have not filmed a YouTube video. No, I have filmed a YouTube video. They're all just taking a while. All the videos that I have right now are like long-term videos where
I know what you mean.
Like it takes a long time to film. So that's why I have not been posting as much. But I have some really cool videos coming up, so I promise they'll be really good. Hey! Hello. We went grocery shopping today. I've not been grocery shopping in months, and I mean that. I have been eating out, and it's just not good. So I bought a ton of like whole, unprocessed, good foods today. So that's what I'll be showing. But yeah, we went to Sprouts, Trader Joe's. Pretty sure we got. I got a box from Trader Joe's.
I like the box. I think they should start doing that. No,
it's like mini Costco.
Imagine if a store gave you like a basket, like to take home. That's cute market. That would be cute.
Let's start out with two things I've already eaten. Peanut butter and almond butter. The raw almond butter from Trader Joe's is the best almond butter you'll ever have in your life. Amazing. But I recently got peanut butter from Trader Joe's, but like the last year I got, it was some orange one. I don't remember. It's in the trash.
Oh, nice. I used to get that one all the time.
This one. Yeah. And it was just not amazing to me.
What? I used to like it.
It was fine. Like I ate it, but I mentioned it in a video that I did not really like it. And someone commented, next time if you buy Trader Joe's peanut butter, get the Valencia one.
Crunchy peanut butter is better.
So I got the Valencia crunchy peanut butter. I already ate some, and it is much better than the orange one. So thank you guys for the recommendation. I appreciate it.
We got some mushrooms. Melanie and I can join grocery shop, so
yeah, we have our list down to a T. So this is basically
we grocery shop. We have a full trip every week, and then we do like half
trip.
Brussels sprouts, mini Persian cucumbers, and then you'll see a lot of this video. I don't want to block you.
I don't know where I was standing. I was kind of.
I got a lot of produce to make ceviche because I got a giant bag. What is it? It is. It's normally like shrimp or scallops cut up with.
Eric made those together.
With tomatoes, jicama, lime, lemon, like citrus, cilantro, onion, stuff like that. And I got this giant bag of vegan shrimp, and I was like, what do I make with that? So I said I'm gonna try to make shrimp ceviche this weekend. So I got a ton of ceviche ingredients.
You eat it with a spoon? Like a
soupy? No, it's kind of like a salsa or like a pico with.
I thought it was a spaghetti dish.
No, that's not at all what he made.
That's similar.
It's like a salsa. Yeah.
Just kidding. It looks nothing.
But
that looks so good.
Oh yeah, an avocado, and there's like shrimp in it. So
nice.
Yeah.
Japanese sweet potatoes, because my mom sent me a sweet potato recipe, so I've been making it, and it's really good. So I needed some more.
Aww. Sweet potato. Good. Russet potato. Another russet potato.
I kind of associate you with potatoes, dude.
Me?
No, slightly.
That's okay. I love potatoes.
That's okay. We got this chocolate, dark chocolate from Trader Joe's. It's my favorite. We always have this on hand, and we're making brownies with this.
I'll finish my produce. I got lemons, or a lemon and limes for the ceviche. An onion for the ceviche. Avocado for the ceviche, and jicama.
You're so rude.
There's a live audience. Yeah. Applaud. Hey. Woo.
Anyways, next, coconut whipped topping. I like this stuff. Dude, I think
I want to put it on my sweet potato.
That's a good idea.
That would be good.
If you've not tried their rice cauliflower stir fry, you're missing out. It's really good.
I haven't tried their rice.
What are you guys doing? It's like, dude,
we just get the whipped topping and the mushrooms.
It's like rice cauliflower with peas, corn. Oh, you couldn't. There's sesame oil in it.
I think I can have sesame oil.
Really?
She thinks she can also have oats.
I know.
And she also thinks that she can have peanuts.
I just think I'm invincible.
You were just allergic.
That's a mentality.
I think that's some frozen zucchini spirals. I don't know, I've never got that before, but I just thought, why not?
What about this? We need to try the crumble. We got.
Should we do it live?
Oh, sure.
Try.
Let's see.
Trial. Crumbly. Oh my gosh.
It looks good.
3, 2, 1. This is
That's lemony.
it's not even a crumble.
Yeah, it's not.
It's just sugar.
Yeah, but it's still good.
I think it's good.
I'd give it a
7.5.
yeah. I was gonna give it in the 7 range. Okay. Then I got some celery juice. There was a thing with celery juice a couple years ago where like there was like a trend to drink it every day, and everyone thought it was so gross. I think it's good. I like celery juice. I don't buy it that often. I really wish I had a juicer, but they're super expensive. But one day I'll get one. But until then, I buy one of these like maybe twice a month. I don't know, not very often. But I like celery juice or any type of green juice. I don't like fruit juice that much though, but I like green juice.
I don't like fruit juice.
I'll never.
I don't even know what fruit juice tastes like. Like, what is it? Like
celery
orange
juice? Is that expensive?
It's like $2.50.
That's see, because I would go to this fancy juice place in Washington, and I bought a celery juice, and it was literally $11.
Yeah.
And then it gave me an allergic reaction.
Oh.
Yeah, it was a bad day.
Why are their bags so soft?
I know, right? I kept getting bags because it was so
a pear. I don't know what type of pear.
A Bosque pear.
Oh my gosh, she just knows.
Dude, that's like Colin math.
I just know produce.
That's just a little different.
So I like apple oatmeal, so I thought I'd try pear oatmeal.
That's like my favorite pear, or Asian pears. Bosque pears are Asian pears.
Lucky for you, on that note, we got an Asian pear.
Wow.
Yeah, she predicted it. Look, it's so large.
Why are the bags so
I know.
We're all done. Okay, I have 2 more things from Trader Joe's. Spaghetti sauce with mushrooms. And some dill pickles.
Solid stuff.
That is all from Trader Joe's. Now we're gonna move on to Sprouts.
We always do cauliflower, but we saw purple cauliflower, so we
so
thought we'd
exciting.
get purple cauliflower.
So exciting.
yes.
Cilantro for the ceviche.
Dude, this ceviche is really taking up the hall.
Yeah. We're gonna make it tomorrow. I'm gonna force Bryce to make it with me.
Yeah, I was like,
yeah, sorry.
Well, when did I say yes to this? I don't
No,
remember.
I'm gonna force it. He has no idea either, so I'm just gonna
cool.
drag people into it. But
I love it.
I don't want to make long. He's gonna help me.
we got some broccoli.
White corn tortilla chips for the ceviche. What a surprise! Sea salt, organic.
A whole video about the ceviche.
Whoa, wait.
Crispy.
Cook ceviche
You should,
with
you
me.
should.
Okay.
I mean, at this point, I feel like everyone's so invested.
I know. Do you let me know?
Lucy Rose apples. I love these apples. Tim from Sprouts really put me on.
From Sprouts.
I get like 4 every single time I go, and they're pretty and red and the inside.
For the ceviche in
You
orange.
put orange in a ceviche?
I looked up a recipe that was in it. Yeah. Lime juice, lemon juice, and orange juice.
Oh, that's so interesting. I got some coconut milk. I use this for my cream of wheat. Use this for my coffee.
I saw your story. I got offended that you crossed out oatmeal and put cream of wheat. That's so rude.
Okay, what am I supposed to do? Go on Amazon and look up cream of wheat
Yes.
spoons? Unfortunately, you know, I'll make my own. I'll engrave it.
Do it.
Get a knife.
Yeah, I'm scratching it out.
I got an Asian pear.
Oh my gosh!
Which is not for the ceviche.
No way.
Imagine.
No way.
Tosses it in. Might as well. This is such overpriced yogurt. It's coconut milk yogurt, but it's my favorite. And I buy like
Another
2 a week.
staple.
Dude, it's like so expensive though.
Yeah.
It's ridiculously
How much
overpriced.
is it?
It's like $6.
But I love it. Yeah.
Is that
I
like
can't
$2
survive
for that?
without it. I think it's like
For
literally
the
$4.
most part, I feel like we don't buy that much in like that many expensive groceries. Though.
Yeah, that's definitely the most expensive
I
item.
splurge on that though.
The last thing for the ceviche, I got 2 jalapenos.
We got some bananas.
Oh!
Also a staple.
I got bananas at Trader Joe's too.
All food.
I just forgot.
That's okay.
Because
We
I
ate
ate
one.
one. I already ate one already. I got a Bosque pear. You guys are all done, right?
Oh no.
We're not?
We have a lollipop.
Oh, I was like, we're not. Dude, where is mine?
John, I think was his name.
I saw it.
From Sprouts. So we were
thank
checking
you.
it out, and I was admiring how all the names, but they had alliteration as pomegranate pucker, strawberry sucker, watermelon, whatever.
Oh, you're good.
Fantastic. And then he was like, "Hey," and he just handed it to us. They give us free stuff all the time. I love Sprouts.
We love Sprouts.
So that's the end of my haul.
Wow.
I got a ton of tea.
It's a lot of
There was
tea.
gonna have tea here, and so I picked this one out first. Peach tea.
Peach tea is so good.
And then these were 2, or like it was, you had to buy 2 to like get the deal. So I got peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is my favorite type of tea. And then this one sounded very festive. So I got
That's
cinnamon
hilarious.
apple spice. And the very last thing that I got Where is it?
Underneath everything, I think.
Oh, yeah, it's right here in the middle.
Oh.
Some Sprouts, lemons, seltzer water, sparkling water. You've had the watermelon before, right? But not
Yeah, I
watermelon.
liked the watermelon.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I haven't done a grocery haul since we moved in.
I know.
We were talking about how
No way, that is so
that was our
funny.
first video together.
That's not to
Okay, last for now.
Yeah. I would say it's just our most recent.
Oh, I just don't know what you're talking
Yeah.
I just dropped the whole
It's
thing
like,
on the floor.
it's like, but you fell off balance.
To save
It's so funny.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Groceries? Oh, we're just gonna have to take a minute. Okay, Vanessa, recollect yourself. Get up.
It's just one of those things. It's
I
too
feel like I
far
need to excuse myself. Like, I can't stop laughing for this time. Alright, hold on, okay, go.
Yes, I'll film my outro. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. It might be ceviche. If I
Yes.
I hope you all like pray for Vanessa in the comments. I don't know what's going on, but thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Bye.